The Huawei Y9 2019 has a large 6.5-inch Hyper-View full screen and 3D curve arc design, making it easy to use. Choose between two color variants, Midnight Black, Sapphire Blue. This dual SIM with dual volt phone has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal memory, expandable up to 400 GB with a micro SD memory card. The 6.5-inch full-view notch LCD display with capacitive touchscreen leads to a good gaming experience and provides the eye protection from strain. Unlock the phone using face recognition or the quick fingerprint sensor. This phone features a 13+2 megapixel AI camera at the back, as well as a 16+2 megapixel dual front camera. Both cameras provide the bokeh effect. The camera can intelligently recognize up to 500 scenes to optimize the camera settings with enhanced features for good low-light photography. The Histon 5.0 technology provides a good audio experience with the party mode offering surround sound with loud stereo sound. The phone runs the MV 8.2 OS on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. The Kirin 710 processor provides high performance, multitasking, and low power consumption. The GPU Turbo improves graphic performance by 60%. The 4000 mAh battery is supported with AI power-saving technology to go on longer. The box includes handset, charger, USB cable, eject tool, free TPU protective case. Check the product page for details on EMI options and exchange.